Welcome to our Planet Ayurveda studio. Today we are here with Dr. Vikram Chauhan.
Thank you very much.
Discussing how we can use the combination known as Triphala in Ayurveda.
Yeah, Triphala, as the name says, Triphala. Phala means fruit. So this is a combination of three fruits. So we mix these three fruits. They are actually real fruits. It's not like Triphala is some fancy name. Actually, we use three fruits. It's Haritaki is one fruit, Bibhitaki is another fruit, and Amlaki is another fruit. And they are all edible fruits. We can eat them. Usually in India, Amlaki is a very common fruit. We use it, we make juices. It's a very small. One small Amlaki, it has vitamin C equal to 30 oranges. One small, it's very small, berry, Indian gooseberry. It's a berry. And we dry it, we make powders of it. That is called Triphala powder, or we also call it Vara powder. So when we call it Vara powder, Vara literally meaning is, the literal meaning of Vara is sarvashresth or the best. So when the best churna, it is called Vara churna. So Vara is a mixture of these three fruits, powder, and seedless. I prefer to use seedless because seedless is better. Many companies, many people, they use these powder of these three fruits which are with seeds. So that is bitter, that is also not good, and less of these therapeutic properties, less effective. But when you make seedless, then it's more powerful because it's full of natural antioxidant, full of vitamin C, and full of colon cleansing properties. But powder, I use it in powder form as Varachurna, and I use it in extract form as capsules, Triphala capsules. So in Triphala capsules, actually naturally it is for colon cleansing, for cleansing not only colon but also the whole gut and the whole body in fact. Triphala is the best anti-aging herb combination which is mentioned in ancient Ayurvedic texts. So this, as I told you, is vitamin C, full of vitamin C. And the other two, this Haritaki. Haritaki is a fruit which is good for Vata. Amlaki is good for Pitta. And this Bibhitaki is for Kapha. So it is balancing the three doshas. And there is a special ratio and proportion or the mixture, how to mix them all. Many companies or many people, they mix equal quantity, 1 kilo of Amla, 1 kilo of Haritaki, 1 kilo of Vibhitaki. It should not be like that. It is double the quantity. I use more Amla than this Vibhitaki and Haritaki. 1:2:4. That is a quantity mentioned in different texts. So the ratio becomes the same. I mean, because Amlaki is smaller, Haritaki is little bigger, twice the size of Amlaki, and Vibhitaki is little bit more bigger, twice the size of Haritaki. So Vibhitaki is bigger, Haritaki is middle, and Amlaki is smaller. So 4 Amlaki, 2 Haritaki, and 1 Vibhitaki. So this combination is better. Most people, they mix all together and make 1 kilo of total Triphala. In that Triphala, their Amla can be less, Haritaki can be less or something. In bad combination. So the combination we should take care of. And the uses. It is best anti-aging Triphala capsules. And if some Vara Churna, some people, they don't like the taste. So if you consume Vara Churna, that is the best. It is good for acidity, it is good. Same are the properties of capsules also, which I am using. And for acidity, for colon cleansing, for Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and for balancing the acid, neutralizing the acid alkaline balance in the stomach. And for so many, for Ama also, it helps to reduce the fermentation. So it is good. Either you can use powder intake, but mostly people, they don't like the taste. Some people, especially in Europe. In India, we have no problem. We consume it like a fruit. We can eat it raw also. But sometimes in Europe people they say we need capsules, so it's okay to use in capsules. But we can externally use the powder. It is very good for the dandruff. See, all the herbs they are good for dandruff. You can just leave it overnight, the powders, vara powder in the water, and in the morning you can clean the hair with the water. That is called Triphala water, or you can say vara water. So that becomes a cleanser, hair cleanser. And you can also just directly rub the mixture of these three powders, vara churna, straight on your hair, and just mix with some water, and then it will clean the dandruff, clean your hair. And secondly, on your face for blemishes, for anti-aging, for wrinkles, vara is the best. As the name says, the best. So it is good as anti-wrinkle. And you can also use it as for cleansing the eyes. Sometimes there is infection in the eyes, conjunctivitis is there are red eyes, and some pimples in the air, in the eyes. So you can just wash your eyes in the morning with this vara water. Just leave the vara powder in some pan during the night, and you can use it in the morning to wash your face. And also you can use it as a face mask, like a beauty product. You can just put some powder and mix it in some rose water or some mud. We have fuller's earth or mud, straight mud, and you can mix it and you can apply it as a face pack. It's good for acne, good for blemishes, good for cleaning the pores and removing the dirt. So you come out as new. It's very. I remember a story. Somebody in the village of India, they took the vara churna. They liked it so much over their face, and they were so shiny and good looking. And they told me that, can we wash our utensils with the vara churna? And they started washing the utensils also with that. They said it is organic. We don't use that inorganic powder to clean our utensils, and it's coming out very nice. And although it is expensive to use it, but they were rich people, so they were doing it like that. So these are multiple uses of vara, and you can also clean the wounds. It is antiseptic, antibiotic, natural tannins. It can stop bleeding, it can heal the wound. And if you consume it internally, it can. Colon is the seat of so many diseases. Almost all the diseases. In Ayurveda it is mentioned that it's seat of vata. So if vata is in balanced state, then you cannot have any disease. So this vara powder or vara churna you can consume for life without any side effects. Is free from any chemicals. It has no pesticides or insecticide. So full of natural herbs. It directly fruits antioxidant. So it balances the vata, it balances the pitta, it balances the kapha. So three dosha. So it's a very beautiful three doshic preparation. So in any case, when in Ayurveda when we used to study, our teacher used to say, when you don't know anything about which medicine to use, just use vara churna. Just give Triphala capsules, just Triphala. So the disease symptom will be okay, because three dosha, it will balance three dosha. So this is, I have used it in several cases, several patients. So it has worked always.
Okay. Do you combine it with some other herbs when using this Triphala combination internally?
It can be combined with fenugreek and gymnema for diabetes. Wonderful results in diabetes. It is excellent for cholesterol. I can combine it with Arjuna. We can combine it with cinnamon, just cinnamon and Triphala. You can make cinnamon tea at home and ginger tea at home for cholesterol. And Triphala alone is good enough for cholesterol. Triphala alone is good enough for diabetes. And Triphala alone is good enough for colon cleansing. So I use it with Kabaj Mukti. I have another, but when you have too much of constipation, stubborn constipation, then you can combine it with Kabaj Mukti. That is another herb in that combination of herbs. So we can use that. Aloe vera we can use with aloe vera to clean the colon and pacify vata. And this is how we can combine with different herbs and get good results. It is good in skin problems also. We can combine it with neem. We can combine it with manjista. So that is good. We can reduce urea and creatinine levels also with vara churna. If somebody is consuming vara churna, his sugar level will come down, his blood pressure will come down, his urea creatinine level will come down. It is good for the liver conditions also, means liver cirrhosis, liver failure. So vara is a wonderful preparation. As I told you, in skin psoriasis, skin conditions, you can mix up with any disease. So you just have to give vara churna or Triphala capsules.
So there is no contraindication?
No contraindication. It is these are three fruits in perfect balance, mixed in. They are mentioned, this ratio and proportion combination. They are mentioned in ancient texts, and those ancient texts, they were written after a lot of research. We don't have to do any research. We just have to search in those books what is written there. So we have searched in those books. The formula is already given. Everything is given. We just have to use them, and we are reaping the benefits of those. I am using every day in my clinic. Here in Planet Ayurveda clinic, I am seeing around 40-50 patients every day, and I am using this Triphala capsule and vara churna. So this is it. This is how I use it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.